If defamatory content stays on Google, you're losing clients every hour, and ReputationZilla removes it in 48 hours. Here's the problem. Google ignores 73% of manual removal requests. Screenshot the defamatory page today. Google requires proof within 7 days. File using Google's legal removal form, not the feedback button. 4x faster approval. A competitor posts a fake arrest article linking to your name. Within 72 hours your consultation bookings drop 40%. Google won't auto-remove it because the site technically exists. This is exactly why we built ReputationZilla, to handle defamation removal when DIY attempts stall. You need a legal angle Google respects, filed correctly, with follow-up pressure. Most people fail here. They use Google's feedback button instead of the legal removal tool. That button routes to a generic queue reviewed in 14 to 21 days with an 81% rejection rate. With ReputationZilla we file through the sworn statement portal, citing specific defamation law, and follow up every 48 hours until removal confirms. Step 2. Identify the exact Google property hosting the link. Search Console shows 6 types: search results, images, Google News, cached pages, autocomplete, and knowledge panel. Each has a different removal form. ReputationZilla maps the removal path in under 2 hours so you file the right request the first time. Step 3. Submit a legal removal request with sworn testimony. This is important. Google requires a statement under penalty of perjury that the content is false and defamatory. Most DIY filers skip the sworn declaration, so Google auto-rejects in 3 days. ReputationZilla drafts the declaration, attaches proof of falsehood, and submits through the correct legal channel within 24 hours. Here's the problem. If you skip the sworn statement or file through the wrong form, Google marks your case closed and blocks resubmission for 90 days. That's 12 weeks of lost revenue while the defamatory link ranks. One client lost $18,000 in contracts during a botched DIY attempt. Get it right the first time or hire professionals. Now the advanced move. If Google rejects your first request, you have 14 days to file an appeal with new evidence. Most people give up. Don't. Use this exact wording in your appeal subject line: appeal for legal removal request case, your case ID, additional evidence of defamation under 47 U.S.C. 230, C.1. In the body, cite the specific false statement, attach a notarized affidavit proving it's false, and reference the original harm documentation. This triggers a senior reviewer instead of the bot queue. ReputationZilla handles this entire appeal process for you, drafting affidavits and managing case follow-ups until the content comes down. Appeal for legal removal request case, your case ID, additional evidence of defamation under 47 U.S.C. 230, C.1. Screenshot and file within 7 days. Use legal removal form with sworn statement. Let ReputationZilla handle it end-to-end. Smash like, hit subscribe, and visit reputationzilla.org for complete defamation removal. Visit reputationzilla.org.